Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify this expression here correctly. I put down key solution. I bring the question here 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 5. First, some person will choose to simplify this way. You have 2 minus 5. That gives minus 3 into 2 minus 5. Then again, minus 3 into 2 minus 5. That gives minus 3. Then this implies minus 3 times minus 3. Then minus 3 times minus 3, that will give 9. But this is wrong approach. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to apply what we call PEMDAS. Now I come down with a question again, 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 5. Here, first, we are going to consider parentheses, that is brackets. Then, we are going to first of all simplify this. We have it 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 5. That gives us minus 3. Then the next step here is for us to remove this bracket, that's multiplication. We are going to consider this multiplication. Then we have it 2 minus 5 multiplied by minus 3. Then minus 5 times minus 3, that will give us minus plus 15, and we have it 2 plus 15. Then lastly, we consider more addition here, and we have it 2 plus 15, that gives us 17, and this is the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.